What is up, ManFX Makeup family? Welcome back to today's makeup tutorial. In today's makeup tutorial, we're going to be going over this Mercy type skull inspired by Random Heroes song Mercy. So if you want to see how I've done this, continue watching. Alright, before we get started, we need a little salted caramel frappuccino break. Alright, so jumping right in, we're going to take some really pale foundation and we're just going to start sticking it all over our face and, blending that stuff out to be albino. So I'm just using a beauty blender and I'm really going to just blend this into my skin the best as I can, even though it does not match my skin, but we're going for that pale look. So now we're just going to pack a lot of setting powder on my face to lock this foundation in place. Alright, so now taking a little big fluffy brush, we're going to be dusting all this powder off our face because we have been baking long enough. Taking a black eyeshadow, we're going to start carving out our eyes and start filling our eyes in however we want them. I'm going for like a black eye with like half a circle around it on the top. You'll see when we get there in a minute. But yeah, so just take your favorite black eyeshadow and start sketching and coloring in your eye sockets. And remember, just be creative and do what you like. You can follow me exactly, or you can just create however you want to create it. Alright, now it's time for a little singing break. I love some Disciple. Alright, now take a little packer brush, and we're just going to really blend and smoke this eyeshadow out. And it does not have to be perfect because we are a spirit / ghost looking thing. Now I'm going to start sketching out our cheekbones, and my eye is burning because I have black eyeshadow inside my eye and it's burning. And do the exact same thing to the other side. I'm just making it a little bit darker on each side so I can know where it's at, so I can blend it. Now taking a blender brush and some more black eyeshadow, we're going to start blending and just blending and blending and blending. Go ham. And we're going to start blending it down our face to create a shadow, kind of like a little sunken in, but not really sunken in, you know what I'm saying, just a nice shadow, like a 5 o'clock shadow, if you're a man and you have a beard. See that 5 o'clock shadow is coming through real quick. Alright, so now I'm just going to do a few little details here and there with the same black eyeshadow and a little angle brush that we done with the eyeshadow. I'm going to do it on the other side also. Now I'm going to start sketching in our nose. You don't have to have a perfect nose shape. I'm just going with some basic nose and doing a dark outline and a shadow in the center. Kind of like how we done our cheekbones. But like I said, just be creative and do it however you want to do it. Now I think this black eyeshadow is from Maybelline. So I use a lot of Wet n Wild black eyeshadow and Maybelline. Alright, so now I'm going in and sketching some forehead wrinkles, some brow bone wrinkles, wherever you want to call this, you know. Now on to the forehead wrinkles. Just sketch them in and blend them out. That's all we're doing, is sketching and blending, sketching and blending. Now going back in with some more details, we're going under your eyes and creating some more wrinkle / texture, or whatever you want to call this. And doing the exact same thing on the other side. Now we're going to fill in our temples and make our temples look like they're sunken in and deep and hollow. And same thing for the other side. So basically I've done this whole makeup using only foundation and black eyeshadow. Now we're just adding some designs up in our shadow beard. And just add more lines under our eyes. I guess we're creating textured eye bags. I'm not sure. We're just going crazy today. Now I'm adding a little cross on both sides of my eye because I didn't know what they had, so I just added a cross on both sides. So now coffee break. Now we're going to fill in our lips with the same black eyeshadow, just really packing it on with a packer brush, and then not really caring how messy it is, just going crazy, going ham. You know, that's what we do best on this channel, is go crazy, go ham. Then I'm going to take a little angle brush and we'll start drawing up and down lines to give us kind of like that, kind of like skull teeth shape, but not too much. Now I'm taking a water-based paint and just going to let it run down my face a little bit. Even though I said we only use foundation and eyeshadow, we use a little bit of body paint also, but we just really watered it down and let it run down my face to get that weathered look. I'm adding a little bit of this watered down body paint under my eyes too, so it looks like my eyes are draining or crying or something, and I'm trying to headbang to get it to run down my face, but it's not working. Now I'm just adding a little bit on the edges of my mouth, and yeah, so we're just going crazy with this body paint. Alright, so this is the final look, so thank y'all guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Please leave a comment down below and hit that like button. So I'll see y'all guys in my next makeup tutorial, and remember, be creative and be fun.